In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an event or webinar on LinkedIn in mobile phone. So first of all, I open and this LinkedIn app on my phone. Now just click on this your profile icon, then click on your profile right now. Oh wow! Then scroll down, then click on create a post. Now select here plus icon, just click here plus icon, then you can see here are event option. You need to just click on here event. Now just you need to upload and cover photo. So I want to upload from my um, mobile phone. Okay, example purpose, this is my um, webinar thumbnail, then select your format. So if you want to going on using LinkedIn app, click on number one. Otherwise, if you want to use Zoom and any others Zoom type software, you can use number two, but I am interested to use number one. Then click here project name. So I write anything here, SU master master plan webinar. Okay, now again scroll down, then select date. So on 19 April 2025, I want to set it 12 April, then 6 to 7 p.m. This 1 hour I want to set up your time zone. Here you can just charge here. So Alaska 8 p.m. So everything okay. Then click on save button, then right here description you are able to set up SEO master plan blah 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 blah. You can write anything here. When you click on done, then your this event are going to live. So this is a method how you can create a webinar or event on LinkedIn app. I mean Android phone or iPhone. This is the same method. No matter who you are able to use which type of mobile phone. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.